And in that era where I am just trying out all the things to support my body, this is a rolling percussive massager mini, and I just got this. The reason I'm interested in it is because it rolls as a massager, and so I want to use this to see if it will help with some of the cellulite that I have. So I was inspired to get this by one of the massagers that I actually have, and one of the philosophies of it is that movement basically helps break up the microfibers of fascia, and so that allows you to move better, right? And then I also, I'm not gonna name any brands, but I see this one brand advertising something similar for cellulite, and the price of it is really good. And I'm sure you can also appreciate that this also looks like another brand, which is also a lot more expensive. So I just wanted to show you, this is what it looks like. It came with the manual. It has the base. This goes in here like this. And then it does have a charger. So on the front of it, you can turn this on, and then this is for USB-C for your charging. So it has 3 different levels. So easy enough, you turn it on, hold for at least 2 seconds, turn off, hold for at least 2 seconds. If you want to increase the intensity or how fast or the speed of these things, then you would just press it and it will increase. I do like the ergonomic handle here. This allows you to rub it this way. So as you know, if you've been watching a while, I have neck pain, so I can see this going here. I'm turning it on here. Of course, I have my hair down, so I'll probably tie it up to make sure safety first, guys. And so I am looking forward to using it on my thighs. And then I also have plantar fasciitis, and so I'm looking forward to using that in this base, turning it on. Let's try this out. So I just wanted to see, I might probably be sitting, but I can see myself putting my heel here. Oh, it's very ticklish, not too bad. But I can roll my feet on this. It doesn't hurt. I can increase the pressure by stepping a little bit more. And then I can move my feet up, move it on the heel. If I wanted to, turn it on the side. It's actually a nice little foot massage. So not bad. Very smooth, does not hurt. Try it on the other side. Nice and smooth, doesn't hurt. Very relaxing. So it looks like you can use this on your calf. And so the base just helps me be able to just use it on my calf if I wanted to. So, all right, so I wanted to try this on my thighs and also on my hamstring area. So one of the things I'm hoping to use this for is to reduce the appearance of my cellulite, but also just to allow that massage. So just needing a little extra support on ensuring that I am staying moving to, so I'm just trying to really get movement into my body. And hold this 2 seconds, and we'll turn it up. And so far what I like about this is that I thought that I'm going to have to use oil in order to use this, but it's very smooth. It feels good. I can control how much pressure I can put on it. My thighs are always very sore. It doesn't hurt me. It actually feels really good. And I have an injury back here, so I want to make sure that I'm careful on my hamstring because I do have injuries there, but it's not hurting me, so that is a good sign. So last year I injured myself and tore my hamstring, and so I have pain right here. And what I'm hoping for is I can break up maybe some of that scar tissue through massage over time, because it is very sensitive right here, and it gets worse when I work out. So this has been really easy to use. If you are more sensitive, you can use this over your clothes. You can always decrease the speed of the roller and then not press as hard if you want to. So it is recommended that you don't stay in one spot for more than 5 seconds, and that you don't massage one area for more than 15 minutes. You're really just trying to get some stimulation in these areas to allow blood flow, to help increase that, I'm very sore right here, to increase that blood flow, to allow healing in areas. If you're working out, obviously you're building muscle, you have to break down some of that muscle in order to build it back up. And so if you increase the blood flow to those areas with the help of a massage, then you're going to heal a little faster than just not doing anything about it. I do have some soreness up here. This feels nice. So I'm already really liking this. You can use this on your belly. I'm just using it over my clothing. I'm just using it on little micro movements. And then we can use this on my arm. Feels nice. You just don't want to use it on bony parts of your body. Definitely not in your spine area, not like the bottom of your hair. You want to stick to more of the meaty areas of your muscles. So I have my thumb right here. That is a meaty area. So don't want to press into it, but it is a nice little meaty area that I could sometimes use a little massage too, because I'm a desk worker, so that feels nice. You can massage your shoulder area. You can massage your trapezius area. All right, I need it right there. This feels nice. This is probably one of my new favorite tools. I'll have to update you guys on how long it takes to charge to 100% and then how long it actually lasts. That's nice. So you're just doing quick micro movements. I'm actually very sensitive. I'm not bruising. I bruise very easily and my skin is pretty sensitive. I have dogs and even I turn red with my dogs. I turn red when I take a shower and so far so good. So I'm really liking that. I think I'm enjoying this a little bit too much. So this is a great upgrade for my self-care routine. I am definitely going to be using this in the mornings for my plantar fasciitis. I am going to be using this on those sore spots that I have on my upper trap, on my quads, and then helping myself try and break down some of that scar tissue from my injury. And then of course, what I'm hoping for is that it will help with some of my cellulite. So if you're looking to upgrade your massager and your self-care routine, you should definitely check this one out.